welcome back to my channel. This is Shamiz TV and I'm Shamiz, period.
She's a
Fuck you, thought. As you guys can see by the title, today's video is going to be me installing this beautiful wig. Y'all, okay, so first, I'm not even gonna hold you. When I first got it, I was looking at it like, I don't really like this. I don't like this. Like, But y'all, now that I have it on, now that I've installed it, you know, styled it a little bit, you know, I like this, y'all. First and foremost, let me get into this unboxing. This is what the hair came in. Obviously, it's on my head already. What I'm gonna start doing for you guys is I'm gonna start showing you guys the unboxing, the bagging and everything before I put the wig on, because I don't be wanting the bag to look empty. But this is how the bag did look when they first gave it to me. This wig was from DYhair777. Y'all, this was a loose wave, 22-inch, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Loose wave, 22 inches. And in this bag came the wig, obviously, which is on my head. And y'all, first and foremost, let me say that this wig is super soft, y'all. Literally, like super soft. All I did really was wet it. I just wet it, scrunched it up a little bit so it would curl. And after it dried, this is how it looks, y'all. Let me show you guys how long. And that's how long it looks at 22 inches. In the bag came this hair care card. Tells you, you know, how to wash your hair, keep it good, keep it all nice and soft the way it is when it came out the bag. As well as all of their contacts, their Instagram, their YouTube, their Facebook, everything, the whole nine. They give it to you so you go follow them on their social medias. So yeah, guys, make sure I go do that. And they also gave me a little gift, which was this little hairpin. This is so cute, y'all. So I'm definitely going to be wearing this because I've never had one of these. And I feel like it would be a cute accessory in my hair. Thank you very much. Of course, they give you goodies as well, as per usual. Usually the hair companies that I work with, they do be hooking y'all up on the side. Along with the wig, y'all don't ever just get the wig. I mean, they be hooking y'all up. So make sure you guys go shop with them. Like I said before, it is a loose wave, 22-inch, 13 by 6 frontal wig. The link will be in the description down below for you to get this exact hair, as well as their link to their website. Oh, and a major part that I did not want to leave out. You guys, this wig came pre-plucked. I didn't pluck this. Y'all, I didn't pluck this. I didn't do this. This wig came pre-plucked already. So, if you're somebody that does not know how to pluck your wigs, this is the best company for you. Some of the hair companies, y'all know that they be sending y'all wigs and they be looking pre-plucked, but they don't even be pre-plucked for real. But y'all, I did not pluck this wig at all. I put this up to my hand. I was like, baby, they did their thing with this. They plucked it better than I could have, okay? So make sure you guys go get y'all this hair, go run them up, and period. video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn notifications. I'll see you for as my post of anything on the channel, y'all. And stay tuned for these videos. Bye, guys.